So today we're working on this 09 Camry and we're going to be replacing the dome light, okay? So the bulb that fits here is going to be a 31mm Festoon. It'll look like these ones out here. Alright, so let's get started. So first of all, always turn off the power. Alright, so once the power is off, all you're going to do, there's actually two indentations. There's going to be one right here and there's going to be one right here, okay? So what you want to do, get something flat with the flat edge, and it just pops out real easy, okay? So put that aside, don't lose it. That's your bulb right there. Usually these are hot or they're still good and you don't want to damage these, so I recommend use some microfiber cloths or something, gloves or something to get these out, okay? So if you can't get it this way, use that same screwdriver, just wrap it into the actual cloth and it should come off pretty easy. Okay, so this is the reason why the customer wanted to replace it. This one was not working properly, and the reason why is because it's actually falling apart, as you can see. Okay, so the glass itself, the bulb itself didn't crack, didn't break, but it was making false contact because these are actually they fell apart. Okay, so pretty much this bulb is bad, do not reuse, okay? So these are going to be the ones that are going to go in there now. Okay, these are 31mm and pretty simple install, just like the other one. Make sure your power is off. You want to start from the inside and then push upwards. Alright, so we've already got it installed, and these are going to be the 28mm, okay? So once they're in, pretty much you can just light it up to test it, and there you go. It's going to be a big difference compared to stock halogen, okay? Once you got this in, pretty much simple, just put everything back in and you're good to go. Alright, get that to work. There you go. So that concludes the installation for this one. Alright, so if you have any questions, feel free to let us know. We'll be more than happy to help you out. Okay, thank you for watching.
Beautiful morning, you're the sun of my morning bed.